Hello, welcome back for this session. Right now, we will see about the vision, mission, goals, and strategy objectives for African railway expansion. Vision is to establish a modern, integrated, safe, sustainable, inclusive African railway network that connects all regions of Africa, promotes economic prosperity, strengthen regional integrity, and improve the quality of life for all Africans. Mission to plan, develop, modernize, and manage an efficient continental railway system through regional cooperation, initiative financing, public and private partnership, community participation, environmental stewardship, and advanced technology, thereby facilitating trade, industrialization, and sustainable socio-economic development across the continent. Overall goals is to develop an interconnected Africa railway network that enhances regional connectivity, support the African continental free trade area, reduce transportation costs, promote inclusive economic growth, creates employment, improve mobility, and contribute to the sustainable development by 2063. But we can also reduce by 2050, 50. The specific objective is there is a strategic objective, key activities in the expected results. The strategic objective is expand railway infrastructure, strengthen regional integrity, improve flight and passenger service, promote economic growth, enhance sustainable finance, develop human capacity, adopt modern technology, promote environmental sustainability, strengthen governance and institutional capacity, promote community participation, and improve railway safety and security. Lastly, support innovation and industrial uh, development. The key activity is construct new railway, rehabilitates existing lines, connects landlocked countries to ports. Result is expand continental railway network to strengthen the regional integration, develop cross-border railway corridors, and also harmonize railway standards. As a result, increased regional connectivity and trade. Flights service modernize rolling stock, introduce high-capacity flight and passenger services. Result: fast, safe, and modern, reliable transport. Economic growth connects industrial parks, mining areas, agricultural zones, and logistic hubs. Result: increased investment, production, and export activity. Sustainable financing is modernized public investments, public and private partnership, infrastructure bond, and developing development bank or financing. Result is financially sustainable railway projects. Human capacity is train railway engineers, technicians, operators, managers, and so forth. Result skilled African railway workforce, modern technology, implement digital signaling, intelligence transport system, and electrify uh, railways. Result improved efficient safety and operational performance. Environment sustainability use green technologies, conduct environmental assessment, and promotes ecosystem. Result reduced greenhouse gas emission and environmental impact. Governance and institution capacity, improve railway regulation, transparency, accountability, and coordination. Result is efficient and accountable railway institution. Community participation, engage communities in planning, land acquisition, employment, and monitoring. Result, strong public ownership and reduced project conflict. Safety and risk, strengthen security system, emergency preparedness, and maintenance. Results, reduced accidents, vandalism, and service disruption. Industrial development and innovation, promote local manufacturing, railway research and innovation. Result is competitive African railway industry. The specific objective also has its own performance indicators and targets. The objective is increase railway network coverage, and indicator is kilometers of railway constructed or rehabilitated. The target is significant expansion of the continental network, corridor border connectivity, number of operational international railway corridors, continuous growth across all African regions, reduced transport costs, flight passenger costs per ton kilometer, reduce per compare with current road transport cost, increase railway flights movement, and indicator is number of railway passenger annually, and result is continuous increasing in passenger ridership, increase local employment, indicator is percentage of local worker employed, result is high participation of local community, strengthen environmental performance, indicator reduce in transport related carbon emission, result significant reductions through greater railway use. Objective improve project delivery, indicator percentage of projects completed on schedule and within the budgets. Result is high project completion rate. Enhance safety, indicator railway accident rates. Results continuous reduction. Improve regional trade. Indicator grows in intra-Africa trade using rail. Result increased trade volume under African free trade area. So what will be the strategic pillars within the focus area is infrastructure development. Focus area is railway construction and modernization. Regional integration is cross-border railway corridor and harmonized standards. Economic development, trade, industrialization, logistics and investment, sustainable financing, public investment, public and private partnership in development financing, technology and innovation, smart railway digital systems and electrification, human capital development, education, technical training and research, governance and institutional strengthen, policy regulation and transparency, environmental sustainability, climate resilience and green transport, community participation, inclusive planning, employment and social safeguards, and lastly, safety and security, infrastructure protection, operational safety and emergency preparedness. In the last, the expected long-term outcome will be a fully interconnected continental railway network linking major cities, ports, industrial zones, and landlocked countries. Increased intra-Africa trade through the improved transport corridor supports the African continental free trade area. Low transportation costs and shortened travel time for passengers and flights. Great industrialization, investment, and job creation across Africa. Improved access to market, education, healthcare, and tourism opportunity. Reduced greenhouse gas emissions through shifts from road to rail transports. Stronger regional cooperation, peace, and economic integration in line with the African Union Agenda 2050, not 63, and the UN Sustainable Development Goal SDGs. This will be one of the exemplary points about this project. So thank you very much. See you soon.